Brněnský mezinárodní strojírenský veletrh patří mezi špičku průmyslových veletrhů celé Evropy. Také 63. ročník se stal unikátní přehlídkou světových trendů, zejména v digitalizaci výroby, využití robotů a umělé inteligence v průmyslu. Letos se MSV zúčastnilo více než 1250 firem z 41 zemí světa. Na takové akci nemohou chybět ti, kteří vytyčují směr. Tedy nepřehlédnutelné firmy, univerzity, významní odborníci a představitelé průmyslu. A také politické špičky. Společnost, kterou jsme navštívili, je nejen tradičním vystavovatelem na mezinárodním strojírenském veletrhu v Brně, ale také uznávaným lídrem ve svém oboru. Výrazná expozice na prestižním místě byla středem pozornosti řady návštěvníků.
Dobrý den, vítejte na stánku CNC Invest. Mé jméno je Martin Novák a funguji v této firmě na pozici výkonného ředitele. Rád bych vás přivítal na japonském stánku s nejnovějšíma high-tech technologiemi od našich japonských partnerů. Máme zde partnera ze firmy Citizen, kterému bych moc rád poděkoval za spolupráci, za jeho high-tech technologické produkty a tímto many thanks for this.
Hello, my name is Kato from Citizen Machinery. First of all, thank you so much for coming to our booth, and thank you so much for every customers here in Czech Republic. I appreciate it very much. We have established our business, started from to produce small watch parts. So if you have any question about the precision, we are here. So please ask to CNC Invest. ありがとうございます。
My name is Adlan Trabelsi. I am a sales manager export at Citizen Machinery Europe in Germany. I am very proud to introduce you the machine behind me, our Citizen Miyano, because this machine is made for our European customers, specially designed from Japan. Just a short information to make you excited about this machine. This is a machine with two turrets, with two Y-axes, main spindle and back spindle, and the back spindle has a long X-axis with 250 mm. You can imagine with this number of axes how many productivity is behind, and then in a very compact footprint. Maybe you can have a look and show to customer with the camera how compact is the machine. And not to forget, the both turrets are supporting by LV technology. This is our unique patented technology to break the ships if you have problem with long ships. So if you need more information, please contact CNC Invest. They will give you explanation how it works. And also we will be happy if you contact us for this new Miyano. So now we are in front of our L20 machine, and maybe you know it, L20 is our best seller since many years. And for our best seller, always we are improving the technology. Just a short information what we are done before. The L20 is possible to increase to 25 millimeters. Then we increase the Y-axis for back machining. After that, we added a B-axis servo-driven motor for milling performance. And together with this technology, we added the ATC technology. The ATC technology means automatic tool changer system. We have a carousel with 13 tools to supply the B-axis to make complex machining. This machine is an alternative for a turret machine having a lot of milling performance but in a very compact design. So for the medical sector, for example, it's a very attractive kinematic. And not to forget, this machine has also the LV technology in the main and back spindle. So please contact CNC Invest if you want to have more information about the ATC technology. Maybe we can help you to improve your productivity with our machines. Thank you very much.
So good morning. My name is Sho Tanaka. I'm from the company Yasuda Precision Tools. We are a Japanese company and then specialized for the high precision machining center. Today I want to introduce our machining center series YMC 430 RT10 Yasuda Micro Center 430 rotary table plus 10. So this is a 3+2 5-axis machining center, and the most specific feature of the machine is a highest accuracy in all over the world, that we can really say so. The guideway is linear guideway, and then motor drive is a linear motor. Vertical machining center achieving really the world of the sub-micron. Not only soft material to the hard material to the cemented carbide. So this machine can achieve the accuracy from the day one with automation or without automation, and to bring you a strong benefit of the high added value product.
Gratulujeme k úspěšné prezentaci a těšíme se na setkání na 64. ročníku MSV v roce 2023.